Our company is Terms and Conditions. We imagine it as a gamified platform for allowing users to control the data profiles that advertisers can see. Business plan. Our goals: ease of use, increase user control, and increase visibility of advertising profiles. Why we're here: for better and often worse, the internet is funded by advertisement. This inverts the normal idea of the user as a customer. In this model of the internet, the user is actually the product, and the customer is often a masked group of marketers and data analysts. Our product plans to remove those masks, or at least give the user a measure of control over the identity they present to these groups. To accomplish this, we asked ourselves, how do users view their online identity? How do we engage the user to desire control of that identity? And can we build a platform that sells control? We identified some opportunities for our business: collaboration and co-marketing opportunities, funding opportunities, marketing events, and giveaway ideas. Who we are. Anya is a student at Cal State University of East Bay, studying computer science. She is an aspiring game developer and has QA experience from beta testing for Aether Studios for 4 years. Joanna is a student at Cal State University of East Bay, studying computer science. She's aiming for a career in data analytics or software development, and is currently developing a mobile application. Micah is a student at Cal State University of East Bay. He's working towards a computer science BS with a goal of solving interesting problems as a career. He's a systems test engineer who has 5 years of experience in the Clipper project, a smart fare payment system. He has a passion for focusing on the infrastructure of the systems that people interact with on a daily basis. Oscar is a computer science major at Cal State University of East Bay, who hopes to make a career in developing new technologies. For our strategy, we identified 3 OKRs. 1. Increase data collection and analysis by 40%. We plan to do this by developing 3 new automated data collection and analysis tools. Accommodate data growth and increase data storage capacity by 40%. Create 5 new services and data products. 2. Maintain at least 20% weekly user interactions. To accomplish this, we plan on quarterly quality of life improvement releases, weekly community engagement events, integrating social media functionality for ease of use across platforms. 3. Establishing partnerships with at least 5 large data companies. This is pivotal to the success of our project. Identify potential partners that are a good fit for the company. Ensure integrity of data sharing operations. Identify specific data sources and services that will be shared. Why we are different. This is what sets us apart from other players in the space like Digi.me. Our focus is the data generating user. Collating data in easy-to-use formats for marketing departments is small beans. What we will do is make curating your own data profile so easy and painless that it wouldn't make sense not to. We don't want to just sell large sums of data. We want users to get the ads they want, not just what clumsy algorithms think they do. Place the human back into human research. Our slogan is control and maintain the information that marketers see. Cultural policy. Our core values. Terms gives users a stronger sense of control when giving information to advertisers. We are on the consumer side, as we believe in privacy and importance of transparency in data collection. What motivates us? We love fair use of the internet and improving the experience of its users. We fear the abuse of internet users by corporations. These 5 words sum us up. Transparency. We aim to be an honest data broker. Innovation. We want to make a product that users truly love to use and change the idea about how their data profiles are maintained. Integrity. Keeping our user base safe. Collaboration. Working with other partners, but especially with the user to create a truly spectacular product. And empowerment. transforming the relationship between a user and their data. Our ethics policy. Core ethics. Incorporate integrity. Continue to improve. Be open. Prioritize security. And verify data quality. For our board of directors, we chose Dr. Micah Altman, who is a social and information scientist at MIT's Center for Research in Equitable and Open Scholarship. Julie Brill, who is an American lawyer who is currently the Chief Privacy Officer and Corporate Vice President for Global Privacy and Regulatory Affairs at Microsoft. Jules Polensky is the CEO of Future of Privacy Forum, a nonprofit organization that serves as a catalyst for privacy leadership, advancing principled data practices in support of emerging technologies. Experimentation and priority. These are our OKRs and their tests. For our first OKR, increase data collection and analysis by 40%. To test this, we'll A/B test automation tools on 5% of the users. Pass conditions is 60% increase in data quality. We will stress test data storage to ensure capacity does not exceed 95%. A pass, mean time to failure greater than 95%. Test, generate customer request survey implementing user requested features 80% request threshold. Pass, less than 10% complaint rate on new features. So a reminder, the customer here is actually the people we will be selling the data to, not the users of our platform. Maintain at least 20% weekly interactions. To test this, we will generate user request survey implementing user request features at 60% request threshold. A pass will be less than 10% complaint rate on new features. We will also test, monitor social media associated with 20% of user base for positive comments. 80% positive comments will be considered a pass. We will also monitor social media associated with 20% of user base for reference to product. 80% of user reference to product will be considered a pass. Establishing partnership with at least 5 large data companies. To test this, we'll help potential partners must share data security and privacy goals. This will only be considered a pass if our goals are sufficiently aligned. We will also perform penetration tests performed twice annually. A pass condition is no major findings. And finally, evaluate data quality and ascertain the chosen services are up to date and capable. Pass condition is data sources and services meet relevant regulatory and industry standards. Our priority is to establish partnerships with at least 5 large data companies, as this will ensure the continued existence of our company. Thank you for joining me for this conversation about terms and conditions.